Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Smart TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start playing sound through their Bluetooth speaker. How do you actually connect that to your Samsung Smart TV? Now the way to do this is that first you're going to grab your remote, and then you're going to navigate to where it says settings on your Samsung Smart TV. Under settings, you want to click on sound and then click on sound output. So from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Bluetooth speaker list. So click on Bluetooth speaker list. And then now what you're going to do is that you're going to turn on your Bluetooth device. So once your Bluetooth device is connected or on, you want to click on the Bluetooth icon so that it can be found. So most Bluetooth speakers have a Bluetooth button, which once you press, it's going to actually allow it to be found. So if I click on the refresh button while this is playing, you'll see that my Bose Bluetooth speaker, which is this one here, now appears on the screen as needs pairing. So let me zoom in just a little bit so you can see. So I'm going to click on this speaker here and then click on pair and connect. So now you'll see it's connecting to my Bose Bluetooth speaker. And now I've connected my Bluetooth speaker. So as you can see, it now says Bose Flex SoundLink connected. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Bluetooth speaker to your Samsung Smart TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.